Every day, we make choices that affect our health. From the food we eat to how much we move, these decisions shape our bodies. But they do more than that. They also influence our genes. Yes, our lifestyle can impact our genetic health. This means that the way we live can turn certain genes on or off. Imagine you have a set of genes that make you prone to heart disease. You might think it's your fate to develop heart problems. Yet, this isn't entirely true. By making healthy choices, you can reduce your risk. This process is known as gene expression. It's like a light switch. Your lifestyle choices can switch certain genes on or off. In this article, we will explore how different aspects of our lifestyle impact our genes. By the end, you will have practical tips to improve your genetic health. Gene expression is a complex process. It involves turning genes on or off. This process determines how our bodies function. For instance, some genes are involved in metabolism. Others regulate our immune system. When a gene is on, it produces proteins that perform specific tasks. When it's off, it doesn't make these proteins. Epigenetics is about how these switches are controlled. It doesn't change the DNA sequence. Instead, it changes how cells read genes. Think of it like a recipe book. The recipes, genes, remain the same, but epigenetics can add notes or bookmarks to guide how the recipes are used. These changes can be temporary or long-lasting. Diet, exercise, and stress are key players. By making positive lifestyle changes, we can improve our genetic health. It shows that our daily choices truly matter. What we eat has a direct impact on our genes. Our diet provides the building blocks for our bodies. It also influences gene expression. Certain foods can turn genes on or off. For example, fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients. These nutrients can activate genes that protect against diseases. On the other hand, processed foods can trigger harmful genes. Antioxidants found in many fruits and vegetables help protect our cells from damage. Studies show that diets rich in antioxidants can activate genes that repair damaged DNA. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s can turn off genes linked to inflammation. This can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Making healthy dietary choices is crucial. By eating a balanced diet, we can influence our genes in positive ways. This can lead to better overall health and reduced risk of diseases. Exercise is a powerful tool for genetic health. Physical activity can influence gene expression. When we exercise, our bodies undergo many changes. These changes affect how our genes function. For example, exercise can activate genes that improve muscle strength. It can also turn on genes that boost our metabolism. Regular physical activity can reduce inflammation in the body. This is because exercise can turn off genes that promote inflammation. It also activates genes that help repair tissues. Exercise also affects our brain. Physical activity can turn on genes that promote brain health. These genes help produce proteins that support brain function. Studies show that people who exercise regularly have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Even moderate exercise can have significant benefits. The key is to stay active and make exercise a regular part of your life. Managing stress for better genetic outcomes. Stress is a part of life, but how we manage it can impact our genetic health. Chronic stress can activate harmful genes. These genes can promote inflammation and increase the risk of diseases. On the other hand, managing stress can keep these genes in check. It can also activate genes that promote healing and well-being. One way to manage stress is through mindfulness. Mindfulness practices like meditation can reduce stress. They can also influence gene expression. Studies show that meditation can turn off genes linked to inflammation. It can also activate genes that support immune function. Another effective stress management technique is exercise. Physical activity can reduce stress levels. Social support is also important. Connecting with friends and family can reduce stress. This highlights the importance of maintaining positive relationships. The role of sleep in genetic regulation. Sleep is essential for our health. It is also crucial for genetic regulation. During sleep, our bodies perform many important functions. This includes repairing and regenerating tissues. Sleep also affects gene expression. Poor sleep can turn on genes linked to inflammation. It can also affect genes involved in metabolism. Quality sleep is important for brain health. During sleep, the brain clears out toxins. It also consolidates memories. Sleep can turn on genes that support brain function. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, can activate genes that impair brain function. To improve sleep, establish a regular sleep routine. These steps can promote quality sleep and support genetic health. Real-life examples and scientific studies. Real-life examples and scientific studies show the impact of lifestyle on genetic health. One famous study is the PREDIMED study. It looked at the effects of the Mediterranean diet on health. The study found that this diet can influence gene expression. It can turn on genes that protect against heart disease. Another example is the exercise study by the Karolinska Institute. Researchers found that exercise can change gene expression in muscle cells. It can turn on genes that improve muscle function. Stress management practices also show positive effects. A study by Harvard Medical School found that meditation can influence gene expression. It can turn off genes linked to inflammation. Sleep studies also provide valuable insights. Research from the University of Surrey found that poor sleep can affect gene expression. This shows the importance of quality sleep for genetic health. Practical tips for positive lifestyle changes. Making positive lifestyle changes can improve genetic health. Here are some practical tips to get started. First, focus on your diet. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. Include healthy fats like omega-3s. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. These dietary choices can influence gene expression and support health. Second, stay active. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy. This could be walking, swimming, or yoga. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Third, manage stress effectively. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Finally, prioritize sleep. Conclusion and encouragement for daily choices. Your daily choices matter. They can influence your genetic health in powerful ways. By making positive lifestyle changes, you can turn on genes that promote health. You can also turn off genes that cause disease. This gives you some control over your well-being. It's an empowering thought and one that can motivate you to live healthier. Remember, it's not about perfection. Small changes can make a big difference. Start with one area of your life, like diet or exercise. Gradually incorporate more healthy habits. Over time, these choices will add up. They will lead to better genetic health and overall well-being. Don't be discouraged if you face setbacks. Your efforts are worth it.